Hi, what's up guys? Today I would like to share with you guys regarding on how to do a refund at Shopee. First of all, let me show a useful link for you to do a inquiry for the Shopee refund. Okay, you click to this. This is a very useful, informative website that you can Google here to do a bit of a research on how to do the refund. First of all, you need to know your reason. Maybe you didn't receive a part of the order, did not receive a wrong product, receive a product with physical damage, receive a faulty product, receive a counterfeit product or a fake one. So there's a two solution. Maybe you can return and refund or just refund only. For the return and refund, you need to return the item, which you need to courier the item back to the seller, and this might cost you something. And yeah, for the refund only, you do not need to submit anything and you just request for refund. For the refund only option will only be shown for the following: product is not received, incomplete or missing products, products under perishables, and digital product and services. So you need to take note on this thing. Okay guys, on top of here, Shopee also show you step by step how to do it. Okay, you need to click here to receive and you click the product, and three, click the return refund and you want to return the item, and click which item that you want to return or refund. Okay, after that it will go here. Okay, number one, you need to click the reason. Number two, what the reason you need to click, and number three, evidence and description, and five, you submit. That's about it. Okay, now I want to show you guys how to do it in the browser. First of all, this okay, so on top of the right hand side here, there's your ID. You need to click it, and yeah, you need to click the my purchase. Here you will see your product that you purchase. You need to click here, request for return refund. Okay, now you need to click whether you want to return or you click you didn't receive your item. Okay, on this page you need to click the reason, parcel, whatever the reason there is. Okay, now you just click description here, just a simple one, or whatever you experience during your item delivered. Okay, you add photos, and that's it, you can submit. Okay, after you submit, the Shopee agent will get back to you on your request. After that, this is what going to happen to you. So I'm showing to you other products that I have succeeded previously. So this is the discussion history with the Shopee agent, and this is it. Okay, this is my proposed refund, and the seller accepted the request, and your refund request has been approved. This takes several days to approve and can get back the money in your wallet. So that's about it. I hope you guys get your refund, and thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.